implementing GoWithTheFlow in the Fire video. GoWithTheFlow, there are actually many applications, but in this interface, it mainly shows up in controlling dynamics. Then I still prefer to use it for generating videos of SkyReels. So in the previous video, we edited the head using the Flow editor. But it's worth noting that this is not actually an editing technique, it's simply about dynamic control. Then we see the workflow, which is directly taken from Hugging Face's example. Follow the flow. The performance here mainly relies on this LoRa model, which is primarily composed of a SkyReels image-to-video generator. We'll still do a quick start here. So first, we'll load a video to capture its motion, extract the first frame from the video, and then place it into our repainting model workflow for repainting. The main motion comes from this character, so I want to change the main subject to Batman. I'll load the corresponding model and then insert a reference image to help with the Batman design. Enter prompt keywords. Here, a keying node was used and the mask was appropriately expanded to perform local repaints. This is still a simple redraw and reference process. Click to run. I'm using an online platform here, which is the largest ComfyUI online development and execution platform and creator community called RunningHub. If local computing power is insufficient, you can navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1200 GB. Logging in daily will also reward you with 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. Running ComfyUI online, the role of this new site is also created in the same way. I put in the image of Batman and set the corresponding prompts. Note that the positive prompt for SkyReels should start with FPS 24. Load the corresponding large model, follow the flow, and then you can start generating. So let's take a look at this noise. It's moving noise, so I think that's where the term dynamic comes from. It's well integrated and quite interesting. So what problems might there be here? Larger motion range. If the generated video differs more from the original input, can it still achieve excellent results? So I think the answer should be negative, at least neutral. But I think it's still progress because I believe this kind of dynamic control is already a strong form of control.
So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. He has significantly lowered the prices of many popular models like video.
Some models like Kaling and Wanxiang have specifications that are even lower than the officially announced prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that over time, it actually saves you a lot of money.